Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to graphicsskyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a circle. Hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this circle perfectly. Now go to Pathfinder and Subtract. Select this portion, hold Alt, copy. Now go to Properties and increase this value. Again select this object, hold Alt. Now go to Properties and increase this value. Now change the color. Select all and align vertical and horizontally center. Now adjust perfectly. Now you need a circle. Adjust the circle. We need another circle. And change the color. Now select all and group it. Shift and rotate. Now you take reflect tool. Copy, hold shift and adjust perfectly. Here is our brand name. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates.